chemistry always be confusing. Everything keeps changing direction. Left, right, up, down.
Or maybe chemistry just likes drama.
Or maybe he just haven't understood periodic trends yet.
First question. Why does atomic radius get smaller across a period?
Okay, atomic radius decreases across a period due to increasing effective nuclear charge.
Wait, are you sure we are talking the same language?
Of course I am. Okay. In simpler terms, as we move across a period, the number of protons increases. The stronger nuclear charge pulls electrons toward the nucleus, making the atom smaller.
Then what about down a group?
Atomic radius increases down a group because additional electron shells are added.
More shells mean electrons are farther from the nucleus, increasing atomic size.
Why does ionization energy increase across a period?
Ionization energy increases because electrons are held strongly by the nucleus.
So, atoms don't like using electron?
Exactly. The stronger attraction makes it harder to remove an electron.
So, down a group, ionization energy decreases because outer electrons are farther from the nucleus.
Electronegativity sounds scary.
It simply means an atom's ability to attract electrons in a chemical bond.
Why is fluorine always mentioned?
Fluorine has the highest electronegativity due to its small atomic size and high nuclear charge.
Electronegativity increases across a period and decreases down a group.
What about electron affinity?
Electron affinity refers to the energy released when an atom gives an electron.
So, except noble gas, right?
Correct. Noble gases are already stable.
Across a period, electron affinity generally increases due to stronger attraction to electrons.
So, period trends actually follow a pattern?
Yes, they are based on nuclear charge and electron arrangement.
To summarize periodic trends, atomic radius decreases across a period and increases down a group. For ionization energy, it increases across a period, then decreases down a group. For electronegativity, it increases across a period, then decreases down a group. Lastly, electron affinity generally increases across a period.
So, as we move across the period, our trend actually decreases in size, just like the size of its body. So, the A actually stands for atomic radius. Atomic radius is the distance from the center of the nucleus to the outermost shell. So, as we go down the group, the atomic radius is going to increase. As we go across the period, it decreases. Now, our M stands for matter reactivity. It's the same trend. As you go down the group, it increases. And as we move across the period, it decreases. So that's a way to remember how atomic radius and matter reactivity increases or decreases. So now we're going to show you guys some tricks to remember some of the trends in the periodic table. So the first trick is, there is a little saying that A and M likes to stand at football games. So we have a little snowman that is supposed to represent the group trend. As we go down the body in the snowman, what's happening to the size of his body is it's increasing. So this should represent the group trend as increasing. And when the snowman falls over, it's going to represent your period trend. So again, this is what it's supposed to represent, okay? As we go down the group, our trend increases. And when the snowman falls over, our trend decreases. Now, what trends does it actually go with?
So, another trick that we have to remember the other trends is Einstein likes to do headstands, but this time it's going to be the opposite. As you can see, we have this upside down snowman, and if you notice, the size of his body decreases as we go down, and if he falls over, as we go across the period, our trend is going to increases. So, the E in Einstein represent electronegativity, the ability to attract an electron. For the I, it stands for ionization energy, that energy required to remove an electron. So lastly, we have the N stands for our non-metal reactivity. So this trick is easier for us to remember which one is which one is increasing or which one is decreasing.